a time you felt particularly Jewish in your life?
Yeah.
When I thought,
When you were 8 days old.
thanks.
I just thought I'd throw that in.
I still remember that. I have to go back to my time in the Army when there weren't many Jews, or yeah, in my company or in the particular section of the Army that I was in. I was in a regular Army outfit, which Bunny might understand. Those were soldiers that signed up for regular service even before the war. And the reason I'm differentiating that between those that were drafted, they were more or less professional soldiers as opposed to regular civilians that got drafted. Those guys were pretty tough, and they were pretty anti-Semitic, and I had to survive through a lot of abuse to begin with. But when I stood up for myself or fought for my rights, I got their respect, and we got along fine. I felt particularly lonely when I knew there was Jewish holidays. It did bother me a little bit, but I will say this about the Army: they provided services for us, and we were able to. The Jewish soldiers were able to get together and have services on holidays. Either a lay person read them who had more education, more Hebrew education than I did. In fact, I still have the military prayer book here someplace.